What if you tried to survive on every planet in the solar system? Have you ever wondered what would happen if you actually tried to stand on the planets of our solar system? Which one would kill you instantly, and which one might give you a fighting chance? Let's find out. Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, but surprisingly, it isn't the hottest planet in our solar system. Because Mercury has almost no atmosphere to trap heat, its temperatures swing wildly between day and night. During the day, the surface can reach a scorching 430 degrees Celsius, say 800 degrees, hot enough to melt lead, but once the sun sets, temperatures plummet to an astonishing 180 degrees, 90 degrees. Mercury's atmosphere is so thin that it's technically called an exosphere. It provides no protection from the sun's intense radiation, which is nearly 7 times stronger than what Earth receives. The planet itself is covered in massive craters, steep cliffs, and rough terrain. Landing safely would already be a nightmare. Without air resistance, slowing down a spacecraft becomes much more difficult, increasing the risk of a catastrophic crash. Could a modern spacesuit save you? Unfortunately, no. NASA's current suits can withstand temperatures up to around 121 degrees Celsius, nowhere near Mercury's daytime extremes. At night, temperatures fall below the suit's minimum survival limits as well. Your only hope would be landing in the Terminator zone, the narrow boundary between day and night where temperatures are more moderate. Even then, Mercury's extremely slow rotation means a single day lasts 176 Earth days, and conditions can change rapidly. Venus. Venus is often called Earth's twin because of its similar size and gravity. It's also the closest planet to Earth, with travel times potentially as short as 4 months. But don't let its similarities fool you. As you approach Venus, you'll see thick golden clouds surrounding the planet. Beautiful from space, but deadly up close. Those clouds are filled with sulfuric acid, capable of destroying exposed tissue almost instantly. The atmosphere is made up of 96% carbon dioxide, making it completely unbreathable. Visibility near the surface is poor because the atmosphere is incredibly dense. Then comes the heat. Venus has an average surface temperature of around 465 degrees Celsius, 870 degrees, making it the hottest planet in the solar system, even hotter than Mercury. Only a small fraction of sunlight reaches the surface, creating a dim orange world. But the greatest danger is pressure. The atmospheric pressure on Venus is approximately 92 times greater than Earth's, equivalent to being almost 900 meters underwater. Even if you had an advanced suit resistant to acid and heat, the crushing pressure would eventually destroy it. Venus doesn't just kill you, it overwhelms you from every direction. Mars. Mars is often considered humanity's best chance for future colonization. Surface temperatures during the day can occasionally rise to a relatively comfortable 20 degrees to 68 degrees Celsius near the equator. However, nighttime temperatures can drop to 125 degrees, 193 degrees in some regions. Mars has a very thin atmosphere composed mostly of carbon dioxide. Oxygen exists only in tiny amounts, meaning you couldn't survive without life support systems. Another major threat is radiation. Mars lacks a global magnetic field strong enough to shield its surface from cosmic rays and solar particles. Radiation levels are roughly 40 to 50 times higher than those on Earth. Mars is also famous for its massive dust storms. Some can engulf the entire planet and generate winds exceeding 100 km/h, 60 mph. Surviving on Mars would require airtight habitats, reliable power sources, food production systems, and constant protection from radiation. Still, compared to the other planets, Mars is practically paradise. Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system, and trying to survive there would be impossible. Before you even reached the atmosphere, Jupiter's powerful radiation belts would expose you to lethal doses of radiation. Let's imagine you somehow had a suit capable of resisting this radiation. Jupiter's gravity is 2.5 times stronger than Earth's, causing you to accelerate rapidly downward. The upper atmosphere contains clouds made of ammonia crystals, where temperatures hover around 150 degrees to 238 degrees. Winds can exceed 480 km/h, 300 mph. In 1995, NASA's Galileo probe descended into Jupiter's atmosphere, surviving only about 57 minutes before being destroyed by extreme conditions. As you continue falling, temperatures and pressures increase dramatically. Eventually, hydrogen gas transforms into a bizarre state known as a supercritical fluid, behaving as both a liquid and a gas. Even deeper lies metallic hydrogen, an exotic form of matter believed to conduct electricity like metal. Near Jupiter's core, temperatures may exceed 24,000 degrees and 43,000 degrees, hotter than the surface of the Sun. There is no solid ground, only an endless descent into increasingly hostile conditions. Saturn may be famous for its magnificent rings, but surviving there would be just as hopeless. The first challenge would be navigating through its ring system and avoiding collisions with countless pieces of ice and rock. Saturn's atmosphere consists primarily of hydrogen and helium. Its winds can reach astonishing speeds of 1 to 800 km or 100 mph near the poles. Enormous storms rage continuously. One storm near Saturn's North Pole forms a giant hexagonal pattern unlike anything seen elsewhere in the solar system. Temperatures in the upper atmosphere can plunge below 180 degrees, 292 degrees. As you descend, pressure builds relentlessly. Eventually, gases transition into liquid states. Far below, scientists believe Saturn possesses a dense rocky core surrounded by metallic hydrogen. Temperatures near the core may reach 11,700 degrees and 21,000 degrees. Saturn's beauty hides unimaginable violence. Uranus is one of the solar system's mysterious ice giants. Unlike other planets, Uranus rotates on its side, almost as if it had been knocked over during its formation. Temperatures in its atmosphere can fall below 224 degrees, 371 degrees, making Uranus the coldest planet in the solar system. The atmosphere contains hydrogen, helium, and methane. The methane absorbs red light, giving Uranus its distinctive blue-green appearance. As you descend, pressures increase dramatically. Scientists believe that deep within Uranus, carbon atoms may compress into crystals, creating spectacular diamond rain. Imagine diamonds literally falling from the sky. Unfortunately, pressures exceeding 100 times Earth's atmospheric pressure would crush you long before you witnessed the full spectacle. Neptune. Neptune is the most distant planet from the Sun. It receives only a tiny fraction of the sunlight Earth enjoys, making it an incredibly dark world. Yet despite its distance, Neptune hosts the fastest winds in the solar system, reaching speeds of more than 2,000 km to 1,200 mph, faster than the speed of sound. Like Uranus, Neptune likely experiences diamond rain deep within its atmosphere. Its core temperatures may reach approximately 7,000 degrees to 12,600 degrees, rivaling the surface temperatures of some stars. Neptune is a planet of extremes, freezing cold on the outside, infernally hot within. Final thoughts. So, which planet offers the best chance of survival? Mercury burns and freezes you. Venus crushes and cooks you. Jupiter and Saturn swallow you whole. Uranus and Neptune freeze you before pressure finishes the job. That leaves only Mars, a harsh desert world, but one that humanity may someday call home. The solar system is filled with breathtaking beauty and unimaginable danger. And the more we explore it, the more we realize just how special our own planet truly is. If you enjoyed this journey through the solar system, don't forget to subscribe for more space documentaries and thought-provoking what-if scenarios. Which planet should we explore next?